Hello, welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. Akara is a Nigerian food prepared with beans. It is also a street food in Nigeria and can be served as a snack. Here are the list of ingredients. The tedious part of making akara is peeling the coat of the beans, but if you have a blender that has a pulse setting, then you are covered. I soaked the beans in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes just to make it easier for the coat to peel. Then I washed it by rubbing them in between my hands. After that, I sieved out the coat. After removing the coats of the beans, add the onions and the pepper, grind until you achieve a smooth paste. Remember, do not add too much water to this. After grinding, I aerated the pudding using a hand grinder. This is to make it fluffy and not too dense. You can also use a mortar and a pestle for that. Add the onion, the seasoning powder, salt, mix everything together and we're ready to fry this akara. Akara requires deep frying. I added an onion while frying for extra flavor. When the temperature is between 300 and 350 degrees, start frying the akara. Scoop the batter one at a time, do not overcrowd the oil. Fry until golden brown and flip it to the other side. Frying good akara requires a tactic, which is finding a balance in the hardness of the oil. If the oil is too hot, the akara is going to burn on the outside without cooking on the inside. Before I add a new batch, I turn up the heat to prevent the akara from sinking inside the oil. That usually happens when the oil is not hot enough. Then midway into the frying, I turn down the heat to low medium just to fry it slowly to prevent burning on the outside and not cooking properly on the inside. The akara is ready. This is a perfect breakfast, especially for the weekends. I served this with PAP. You can also serve it with custard, with bread, and it's so filling. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you'll be able to see more videos from this channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.